keep track of the sources you find when you're writing a paper? Do you find yourself wondering why you picked those sources that you copied and pasted into a Word document? And once you've started to write, do you remember what was so important about those sources? One solution could be to use a research log as you search for sources. But what is a research log? A research log is a document that provides space for you to track the important information about your sources, as well as reflect on their value to your research question. It is one document where you collect information about the sources you want to use rather than pasting random links into a Word document. The questions in the log help you track the important information about the source while it's fresh in your mind. This can include citations from databases, keywords you use to find it, notes on why it's relevant, and brief summaries. And you can highlight specific points. How does it relate to your other sources? How will you use it in your paper? And you can note any specific facts, quotes, evidence, or data that might be helpful in your paper. This also means that you have a head start on your citation page. If you've already collected all of the information in one place, you have it easily accessible to format into your paper, and it's a place to copy and paste the citation from paste databases if you're using those. Research logs are also useful for any project, but there are a few scenarios where they would be recommended. For example, if your professor is requiring that you write an annotated bibliography, a research log is a great first step. You will track your sources, including a summary and the relevance to your paper, which you will need to create your annotation. Let's look at examples of templates that you could use. You can create your own version or make copies of the templates here that are linked in the description of this video. This Excel sheet keeps your sources organized in rows. You can create a research log with any questions that work for you. A search diary is a research log in which you track your keywords, where you search, and what information you found. As you search, revisit your log to choose keywords that you haven't tried yet, and avoid the ones that you've tried that didn't work well, and this keeps you from doing extra work. If you are writing a literature review, a synthesis matrix is a type of research log that allows you to make notes as you search, and then after you've compiled your sources, you return to the matrix to synthesize what they all said on your topics to answer questions like how does source 1 disagree with source 2 on that particular topic.
For more information on contacting the library, see the description of this video.